This area is owned by the Kuwaiti royal family. London Bridge has stood here on the Thames for 2,000 years. Railway bridge to the left behind the trees is the electronic sign. This building gets voted year after year as the ugliest building here in London.
Marvellous morning mugs, my name is Harris. Today's video is going to be a nice and relaxing virtual boat trip around the River Thames in London. If you're listening closely enough, you'll also be able to hear a really good tour guide inform me about some distinctly interesting facts and information about the landscape. Feel free to use as much as you need. Hope you enjoy and long live the tomates.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to the Millennium Diamond. The name of the boat we're going today in 1938. Built in Belfast in Northern Ireland, and they built the ship in the same place, in the same shipyard where they built the Titanic, the ill-fated ship. Saw lots of action throughout the Second World War. This was a powerful ship years ago. The flag that flies on the front of the ship, this is a Union Jack. This is the only Union Jack here in London. To be a Union Jack, the flag, it has to fly on the front of the Royal Naval ship, attached to a wooden pole, a wooden jackstaff with a silver crown on the top. That's the only one you see here in London. Stay to your left, this area, this is the London Bridge City. This is a city within a city. This area is owned by the Kuwaiti royal family. They bought the area, they put millions of pounds into it. They've got their own police force, there's casinos, there's bars, restaurants. You see a private riverside hospital, the London Bridge Hospital, and the Shard as well. Western Europe's tallest building. The Shard stands at over 1,000 meters. They designed the Shard to look like broken glass that's fallen from the sky. People always think the top isn't finished, but it is finished. It's supposed to look like broken glass. A London bridge has stood here on the Thames for 2,000 years. Right up until the 1800s, it was the only bridge on the river. Nowadays, from the sea to Teddington Lock, the tidal part of the river, there is 32 bridges. Years ago, there was just one. London Bridge. It was a toll bridge, you had to pay to go across it. Francis Drake was the first English captain to sail a ship around the world. Doing that journey on a ship identical to this one. This is a full working ship. It's open to the public today, but it is a full working ship. This is the Cannon Street Railway Bridge. This is the second oldest railway bridge on the Thames. Cannon Street Railway Station is away to the right. Tucked in the corner of the Great Hall, there's a riverside park that promised to be bankrupt. It was built in 1650. Part of that park is 400 years old. You see how popular the park does get. It's very well known, quite famous. Look at the antics, you see red window frames. William Shakespeare used the antics of that park as changing rooms before performing in theatres nearby. They're very old, very well known at Riverside. This is the Somerset Road Bridge. You see how close we get to the bridge as we go up from London on the high side. Many of you might have been on a boat early one day. If you come down with us this morning, you would have gone down the river. And it is brilliant value for money. To get a standing ticket at the club, it is only £5. The live entertainment here in London, £5. That's brilliant value for money. This is the Millennium Footbridge, built for the Millennium Year, of course. This bridge was destroyed by the Death Eaters. every door. So you might recognise it. You might know it as well as the wibbling of the when they opened that bridge, so many people walked across it. The nickname stuck, the wibbly wobbly bridge. Here to your right, you've got St. Paul's Cathedral. This is Circus de Foren's masterpiece. It stands 365 years. 1 foot of the cathedral is built for every day. Every single Sunday throughout the year, St. Paul's is free to visit. So bear that in mind, if you're here the whole weekend, you want to visit, go for free. This is the Blackfriars Railway Bridge. This isn't the one we're worried about. The next one is lower. The next one is lower. You don't really need to go into that. You don't want to have two accidents. The Blackfriars Road Bridge, as we get through, looking to your left, you've got the tall glass building. It's called number 1 Blackfriars. This is a brand new apartment building. Just been built, just been finished. You can still buy the penthouse suite, the apartment at the top. It's a 4-bedroom apartment, and you can buy it for £20 million. Here's the 11th, the red brick building. Look at the tower at the top. You see the letters spelling out OXO. You might have heard of the OXO stock taking. This is where they used to make it. This building was a warehouse. It was funded by the OXO company, where they made that stock. You can see some apartments today. There's a shopping centre at the bottom, apartments and a restaurant. This is where you're going to find the street entertainment, especially on the weekend of an evening time. Loads of bars and restaurants here. The ship to your right, the ship here on the right hand side, is the Wellington. It was part of the New Zealand Navy. Because of the Thames, they put it here as a livery. The Honourable Company of Master Mariners retired. And the concrete building to your left, behind the trees, with the electronic sign, that is this country's National Theatre. This building gets voted year after year as the ugliest building here in London. Go inside the building. Go in there, there's 3 theatres, and they are some of the best theatres in the country. They say how talented down to in there, he is very good. This bridge, this is Waterloo Bridge, built during the Second World War. The men, they were pulled away fighting. The ladies built the bridge. The ladies of London, they took over construction. They stayed at home to keep the country running. And they built this bridge. And 80% females worked. And under Cleopatra's Needle to your right. The 2-stone Egyptian obelisk, said to be 3,500 years old. Carved in Egypt, the needles they carved from in pairs. The other one is in Central Park in New York City. The last picture in front of us, the Charing Cross. You pay these 2 people every day. And they love their job. The next one as well, look. Wave and smile. If you get away back from this bridge, you get Here to your left, you've got the London Eye. This is by far London's most complex tourist attraction. They carry big. Hopefully it'll be finished very soon. The name of that clock tower is the Elizabeth Tower. Everybody thinks that clock tower is called a Big Ben. Big Ben is the nickname for that hour bell. Big Ben has always been the name of the bell that is inside the tower. That hour bell that has been silent for the last few years.